From the smell of eucalyptus racing up through the air. What happened but this time? So shimmering in light, have to have in my sight to dim. I can't stop all the night. Last thing I remember, running for the Lord. Have to find the passage back to the place I was before. Locks of the night, man. We have program to receive. You can check up anytime you like, but I just can never leave. Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Mirror in the ceiling, the fish come paradise, she said. We are just one prison here, harbor on device. In the master chambers, we gathered for the peace. Can any time you like, but you can never leave. Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Continue Hotel California. What a nice surprise, what a nice surprise. Bring your